Naomas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you can see from the title, I'll be showing you how I installed this gorgeous bob, and it is a beginner friendly video. I have seen a few comments where it's saying show us how you install it from scratch, and here we are. So this wig is from Klaiyi Hair. They sent me a 12-inch asymmetrical side part bob, and this is what it looks like. It's 150 density. You don't want a bob that's too thin. Like, you need a bob that bobs, okay? And this one does exactly what it does. So if you'd like to purchase, the links will be in the description box to do so. As for this hair, it's really silky, smooth, super easy to work with. I didn't put any type of bio silk or anything. This wig is perfect. And as for the lace, it was really easy to work with, and you'll see that in the clips to come. But so far so good with this hair. I am literally having no problems. This is one of the best bobs I've ever had, hands down. It is 13 by 4 and it's giving 13 by 4. Some bobs you can't even part them deep enough, and this, no problems. 10 out of 10. So if you'd like to purchase this gorgeous wig from Klaiyi Hair, again, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And let me stop rambling. Let's jump into the video. Super easy, super quick tutorial, super beginner friendly on how you could achieve this look. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is just how we're gonna start it off. I already started by cutting off a bit of the lace on this side, because really what we're gonna focus on in this video is just the side with the side part. It's a bob, it's easy, it's simple. I did go ahead and attach a band on each side of the lace, so therefore this wig is glueless. All I have to do is spray something down, tie it down, and I'm good to go. As for the side part, I did slight plucking. You don't need to do too much with a bob. A bob is really just there to slap on. It's a super simple and easy wig to do. So what I am gonna do is just cut the rest of the lace off, and as you can see, it's not down yet. So let's get into the whole process. I might do a voiceover, I might not, but this is just really easy and simple, super beginner friendly. I might slow down a few steps, which I think would be beneficial to somebody who is a beginner. So let's get started. The finished look. This look, I recorded every single step. This was super easy to do. I feel like bobs are really just that go-to wig for the fall time, of course, because you know we love an edgy asymmetrical type look. It's super inexpensive, so you could have a million trillion bobs. Okay, you can have a bob which is 12 inches like this one, you have a 14-inch bob, you have a 10 8-inch bob. Girl, the options are literally endless, and Klaiyi has them all. So this was their side part asymmetrical bob that they sent to me in 12 inches, and this is what I did with it. It's really cute, and like I've said before, super affordable, super duper reasonably priced, and the lace is of good quality, so you are getting a bang for your buck. Trust me, like, this wig was so easy to install. It already came pre-parted, so I didn't have to do anything but to just put the wig on and style it. So like I said, this is it. You don't have too much to speak on when it comes to bobs. It's really just a hit or a miss, and this is definitely a hit for me. I love how it turned out. I love these results. If you don't want to do baby hairs, you don't have to, and I decided to do baby hairs. They're cute, I like them, and yeah, that is it. So thank you so much to Klaiyi for sending me this gorgeous wig, and if you'd like to purchase this unit, the links will be in the description box to do so. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to follow my Instagram, which is at She's Your Fave, where I'll probably more than likely post pictures in this gorgeous unit from Klaiyi, and I will see you all in my next one.